Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of What's Up Mainframe here at the Prague MTE 2026. It's great to have our colleagues from all different value streams in the mainframe software division, and I'm happy to actually touch base with some of our DB2 experts, some of our technical consultants. So we have Julie Carter and Michal Bialecki joining us. And how has MTE treated you guys?
It's been a lot of fun.
Super.
It's been quite intense.
Yes.
It's super busy.
Yeah. A lot of interactions.
Yes. Yeah, it's been very, very useful, hopefully for our customers as well as us.
But I want to take this opportunity to kind of find out your guys' thoughts on DB2 modernization, because we had Sergey and Dennis on the show, and they obviously talked about center stage and the VS Code experience, but as tech consultants, I imagine you're seeing a wide variety of approaches to modernization in this space.
Yeah, there's more to do in the modernization than center stage and VS Code.
Okay.
The customers are struggling with the basic things that they need to replace, like old COBOL procedures, with something that is more modern.
Of course.
So that's what we were discussing with the customer yesterday, or 2 days ago. We presented with the customer their approach, how to modernize their housekeeping procedures.
Okay.
And we use our tooling, which is the database analyzer, that helped them greatly in develop something that is manageable, let's say.
Okay, so housekeeping generally is one area where a lot of work needs to be done. Okay.
Yeah. Culture is a big thing.
Okay.
We need a big shift. We've got a lot of DBAs at the moment who are counting down the days until they retire. And some organisations have been very sensible when they've got apprentices or they've got graduates that are starting, but there's a big gap between the people that are counting down the days and the people that are, in the first few years of their careers.
Getting onboarded,
Yeah, so there's a lot of challenges in terms of knowledge transfer, because 30 or 40 years of knowledge needs to be passed on. But it needs to be passed on in a way that's modern and sustainable and going to keep going for the next 30 or 40 years. So that's quite a big challenge.
That's a huge challenge.
Yeah.
And really, I think that's something that we face across our division and working with customers is how do you get new people onboarded, understand the existing processes, and make something sustainable?
Yeah.
Plus, actually, it's not only about the people going away, but it's also about the fact that there is more work to be done by less people, which means that people who are managing the system, they are not just managing one. Some of them are managing 20 now, because they have no choice. So they need to modernize, they need to streamline all of this, because otherwise they will be in trouble, I would say.
Yeah. So we need to do some simplification, and hopefully some of the tools that we're developing are really going to help with that. Centre stage ultimately should be a place that people can go to do various different tasks for whatever level of experience they are. Automating things, so as Michal mentioned, we've got the automation tools for things like the DB2 housekeeping.
Yes.
That's really powerful. And recovery as well. We've got recovery analyzer, which is something, recoverability is a massive theme at the moment, and there's a lot of regulation around it.
Of course.
And so that's another place where, rather than people having to figure out how to do it on the fly when there's a problem, now they need to know in advance what they're capable of and whether they can meet their SLAs, the recovery time objectives and things like that. Recovery analyzer and the tools that come with it are really, really helpful in that space.
Give you insights there.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So, as MTE is very much a forum for learning, where, yes, we share things with customers, I want to ask, actually, what's something each of you has learned from a customer or customers during the last couple of days?
Well, every of our presentation was kind of starting a new discussion on various topics. So the customers shared with us that they face the problem with this, and they approach it this way, right? So we learned from them as well.
Certainly.
This is I would say, mutual benefit for everyone.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I think one thing that I've discovered is that people are not quite as far along their modernisation journey as they would like to be, or that we might expect them to be at this point, because we've been talking about things for so long.
Yes.
But in the real world, things take so much longer. These big companies are very big ships to move, to steer, and these changes take a really long time to implement. And so even simple things like converting table spaces to UTS, something that's been around for 10, 15 years.
10 years.
People are still working on their project.
Still in progress.
To do those conversions. So yeah, it's a long journey, and some people are not quite as far along the way as you might expect.
Definitely. Felt that in a number of the sessions we attended as well. That
So we need to support them more. We need to figure out what we can do to help them.
We really do.
To boost their journey.
Exactly. And they need to be, they need to feel free to share that with us, because we are prepared to help with every step on the way.
Yep.
Because that's how we approach things.
Yeah, and it might be something simple, like we can write some blogs or do some videos on simple things that they can do just to get started, because it can seem really daunting, the first steps. But if we can help to get them started, and then we can work with them on the more complex stuff as well.
And then develop some momentum and move towards even some of these new interfaces and whatever else.
Exactly.
Yeah, an example, your demo that you did, right, for the PDA, it was a little bit kind of, we were thinking it's long, right? But actually, after the session, customers approached us saying, we would like to have this demo because we want to follow step by step.
What exactly?
We were thinking, this is so obvious, right?
And yet,
obvious to use this tool, right? No, not really, not for everyone.
It's the power of getting everyone together in an event like this. Julia, Michal, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
And sharing how
Thank you for having us.
we're willing to help customers at any point in their journey.
Absolutely, we're here.
Thank you.
Thank you.